Then next click on start and type create. Create a restore point, search on only, and then right click and then open it. After it you can see system restore. Click on it. Next, and you can see this is created date and time also mention. Okay, and then click to next and then click finish and then click on yes. Once started we want to continue and then click on yes. Okay, it will take some time to restore your system. Okay, so it is restart and it will take some time, depend about your system configurations, might be 10 to 15 minutes. After that start automatically restart and it will, you can see, and after that restart and it is normal that. After that restart your system, now you can see it is start. Now you can see system restore created successfully, then system restore like that this content is not be affected and then click the OK. So now your system restore 100% worked, it's completed.